bit, there's bliss up in my ignorance. 10 dope dealers, ex want me to see it. Can't trust her, don't believe her. Reply, turn it to a needle, yeah. Don't wanna do it again. Got shit I'm not tryna relive. Get fucked up and I'm sick. These old habits will kill me quick. Quicker than I can blink. Quicker than I could think. Lift me up, don't want sing. Pull me up, I need a drink. What the fuck do I do with sabotage is all I know. Oh, I done dug myself my own grave, then it's all whoa, whoa. Kill me so, curtains closed, so fuck I don't see what's the point of going on, no.
Blacking out in the same clothes. I wish that I could have some control, but this feeling's all that I know. I'm just living in the moment, doing things that I shouldn't. I've been in the dark all alone, cause this feeling's all that I know. Help me stay, cause all I know is run. Said that I can never be alone, but this feeling's all that I know. Don't know how to stop and it's killing me.